good work attitude of our people. They're going to overcome this, and then we're going to move on.
Here we are, up. And he needs to go on a diet. Oh, come on.
Fred, 11.5.
Oh my goodness. He's got. So, Buckley, which one are you going to go for? Buckley. Go, try. Beanie. Buckley. But, you know, I'm just trying to rest and it's just too much. Oh, sit, sit, sit. 10 point, not even a kilo in a month.